Hare Krishna, friends. Today we have here is the NPTEL Programming Data Structures and Algorithm Using Python course by Professor Madhavan Mukund from Chennai Mathematical Institute. And we have the week 5 programming assignment, right? So what happened is basically I recorded the whole explanation video of this program, but the video unfortunately couldn't capture my sound. Somehow my microphone was malfunctioning. The settings went here and there, right? So the thing here is, like, see what I did. The program that was given is basically for an assignment. We have to write a Python program where we are given the course, roll number, and course code, like in a format like the grades, the courses, the students, and the grades, right? So what we have in the line format is course name, semester, year, instructor, roll number, full name, and in the grades, we have course code, semester, year, roll number, and grade. Here are the sample inputs. Like, see, we have this courses are like given like this. The students are given like this. They have their roll number and then their names, and the grades are given like this. And this is a sample output where we have to show what? We have to show the grade point average, right? Okay. Now see, there are also given the different kinds of grades like A, B, 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 A, B, C. So what we have done here in this code is what I've done here is basically see, I've taken a dictionary grade points where I've mentioned the different grades that these all accumulate. And after that, we have students dictionary and points accumulated dictionary, where we are, according to the given formats, we are stripping out the students' grades, roll numbers, and then matching them, just like we do in case of SQL's tables. The same thing we are doing here, and finally printing the average GPA. See, here it is. We are calculating the GPA. We are taking out the first. We are matching the roll numbers and grades. From there we are acquiring the grades and in the points list, and from there we are finding out the GPA, right? So I'll drop the code in a GitHub link below. You guys can check out the code and you can comment down below if you have any problems, and you can also ask for suggestions. You can also suggest me regarding which video I can make next. And this is it. So once you submit, these are the test cases, compile and run. Let's see if our code is compiling. Yeah, it does compile and pass the two initial test cases. And let's submit. Okay, so my answers were successfully submitted. And let's see if all the test cases have passed. Of course, all the test cases have passed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and keep studying. Haribol.